So you're going to try to, well, before you do that, you got to take the shift knob off. You're just going to turn it counterclockwise. You're going to grip sort of the back section here and try to lift it up. So you'll see I'm just going to grip like this and I'm going to pull and it's going to pop out. There's clips along here that will pop out. Just careful. Don't rip it out. Be gentle. So we're going to slide this up as we pull this up and out. On the front of this, there's two pieces of plastic that clip into this, which is why you can't take this out before you take this out. You'll see when I take it out. So I'm going to continue to pull it out, lift this up over the boot up and over. Now, there's two plugs. There's a plug over here. There's actually two plugs here and one plug over here. One plug goes into your traction control, your hazards, and your trunk button. You're going to have to unplug that. The back, if your car came with the LED package, one is the signal coming from your cluster into the cup holder. And I believe the second one is the signal going out into the two LEDs on the bottom here of your center console in the back footwell. You don't have to take those out. You're just going to lift this up and turn it and push it out of the way. So I'm going to continue to pull back gently. So once you have it to about here, kind of in line with your volume controls, I'm going to reach under and I'm just going to unplug the switch. Maybe I can, I don't think I'll be able to carry you guys over here to see it, but once I unplug it, you'll be able to see it better. So now the front is out and you'll see I can lift it up. Now, like I said, you still have two plugs here. You can unplug them if you want, but I would leave them for now. Yeah, one is the signal. This is your signal coming into your LEDs. And then this over here is the signal going out. In case you're wondering, right here is the switch. So your system knows when to turn your LEDs on and off when your center cup holder is, the top is closed. You see it's moving. This one here is the actual light, the LED light for the rings. And then down here is a plug that sends the signal back into the center console. Again, just in case you're curious, we're just going to lean this over, set it over to the side here. Don't stretch it too much because this is clipped into your harness. But now you can see that this spot, I'll just be gentle here, I don't want to stretch it too much. This is where the center console bezel with the boot actually was clipped into the shaker harness. So 7mm, you have two 7mm bolts here. 1, 2, take these out nice and quick. Got one bolt, don't lose it. Bolt 2, don't lose it. Now, to get this out, there's clips here, 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 maybe one here, 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 here. The best thing I have found is to pull from the bottom and use a tool that can grip in this hole right here. There's a little hole down here that you'll be able to grip from. I prefer to use this tool. It's a sort of a metal 90-degree pick. So I would put that in here. I'm going to turn it up, so now the pick is up this way, and I'm just going to pull. And you see it's coming out nice and gentle. Again, be very gentle. Okay, I heard the first clip go. Okay, now I'm feeling the clips going along here. I'm going to put it on this side so that the bottom is coming out all at the same time. Okay, that clip has come out. Now, before you pull this out entirely, there's one plug on the whole thing. It's down here right behind this side. So have that in mind. When you pull this out, you don't just rip it out because you got to unplug that one little spot. So now I'm going to use my tool, my little clip, my pick. I'm going to put it in on the side here. So I give a nice localized pressure to the clips on the side. Be careful not to mess up your leather / vinyl. Now you see I've gotten the bulk of this out. I'll do one more, the leaf clip on this side, and I should be able to pull this head unit out. Again, be gentle. There's no need to rush. Okay, now it's out. Again, one plug on the side here. You're just gonna pop that and pull it out just like that. Okay, so now there's two things you're gonna see here that are important. One, this is your audio control module. This is actually where all of the brains behind your radio goes. Most of the time when you put in something aftermarket, I believe you take that out and it's gone. It's got its own plug in the back here. That would probably go into your new radio. I'm not going to get into that because we want to get to the HVAC module down here. That's under here. You'll be able to see it much better once I take this out. So 4 7mm bolts. We're going to take this head part, the head unit screen out. Once we have that out, we'll be able to access our module. Maybe I can zoom in for you guys. Let's see if I can figure out how to use this thing. A little further up. Up. There we go. Sorry, I am very new to using a tripod, and I am not good at this. Alright, that seems a little bit better. Okay. Direction, which bolts you take out don't really matter. In what order, just be careful. Now that you have things open, you definitely do not want to drop them. And that could be a nightmare to try to have to get out. Whoops. Two. Three. Sorry, I was just checking if you guys are still there. Here is number 4. All right, once we have number 4 out, put it over here. Now we can slowly slide this guy out. And again, there's going to be a plug on this. One plug on the back here. You unplug that. Okay, set this to the side now. Now you have access to your HVAC module. That's this guy right here. Don't try to brute force, rip it out, pull it out. There's a very intelligent way to get it out. Essentially, there's a clip on this side, a clip on this side, and it needs to be lifted up and then pulled out. Don't be like me. I didn't realize before this, I just grabbed it and started ripping it and pulled it out, and I broke 3 clips off of it. You don't want to do that, but I'll show you the right way. This is your C294A plug. We're going to be doing work on that later, but let's pull this out for now, and we'll set that to the side. Now, to get this module out, there is a clip on this side and a clip on this side. It's metal. What you want to do is you want to push the metal away from the module and lift it up. Flathead screwdriver works fine. I have this straight pick I'm going to use, so I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to pry it, the handle this way, the front will go this way, and push the clip out, and then I'm going to lift. Okay, popped up. Now mine comes out relatively easy because I broke the clips. I'm just demonstrating this for you guys. Again, I'm going to do that, and up it goes and out. That's how you pull out your HVAC module. Again, this is a CR33 19980AB. If you want heated seats, you don't want AB, you want a BB. To put it back, everything's going to go back in backwards the same. You're going to put your HVAC module back in, then you're going to plug it in. Then you're going to put your head unit screen back in up here, plug it in, 4 bolts. Then your head unit goes back in, 2 bolts, plug it in. Make sure you plug it in when you put it in. And then your center console goes back, plug it in before you put it back. And then you put your shift knob back on. And anyway, that's how you can upgrade your radio. You can upgrade your HVAC module if you need to replace your screen. That's how to get into the guts here of the of your center console on this style Mustang. So more to come, guys. Thank you very much. See you soon.